Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy over here is Popeye. We are the RC Sailors and we're at the airfield today in some extreme heat to test a drone for you guys. This is called the XY017HW. It's about 50 bucks and we'll have it linked in the description box below. Seriously, the names of these drones. This is a 2 megapixel, it says it has a wide angle lens on it, so we're probably gonna like that. We do like when they have a little bit more of a wide angle lens on the toy grade drones. It should look pretty good, I'm hoping. And it looks like it's made by XK, but that's not, it's an XY. They're kind of copying XK.
Sneaky.
Yeah, Falcon. So, before we take a look at this, I want to say a big thanks to Axerhand. Axerhand, I think it was 1976. Glenn, I believe. Yes. He sent us a little care package, which was just so cool. And I just wanted to say thank you so much. This was for me and Abby and for Popeye and little baby on the way. Now, I know some of you guys don't care that we have a little baby on the way, but since the beginning of this channel, it's been family oriented and it's a family friendly channel. So from here on out, it's always going to have our family involved.
It's always had the family
Yes.
involved.
We do have some new people to the channel. We have our P.O. box listed in the description box below. If you want to send something, we also have our baby registry on Amazon. And so a lot of this stuff comes from just personal gift ideas in the baby registry. So big thank you to everybody that's done that. And I just wanted to show the cool stuff from Glenn, Axerhand. I know your comments too. I recognize your name. Piggy Bank! Okay, now that's pretty
so
cool.
cute.
It's the big purple pig. It's really, really, really soft. But I thought when we got this box, something was broken because I shook the box.
It said fragile
geez.
and stuff on the outside.
Yeah, I thought, man, that glass is broken. No, he actually put some money in there too. Thank you very much. That's super cool of you.
Cool, I like
That's
that.
just the coolest. Yeah, that is awesome. We will. That'll stay in the house.
That'll have a nice spot in the house.
Ooh, oh yeah, that's cool.
Oh, we don't have anything like that. Popeye, what is that?
We really like when people send stuff for Popeye. That's because he loves it. Good toy, buddy. Good toy.
No,
That's yours. Nice. It's a little hot out, but that's cool. He's playing with that.
Oh. Oh, there's another toy. Oh my
Soft,
gosh.
fleece covered balls that squeak. I don't know if he'll be able to pick this up, but
Yeah, he will.
Listen.
He loves it.
He likes that, yeah. Huge thanks.
Oh.
Huge thanks. I thank you so much. Hopefully Popeye can pick that bigger one up there. He likes the groundhog a lot, but he's focused on the ball. There, he got it. He got it with like the edge of his teeth.
Good job, buddy.
Okay, so what we're going to do in the rest of this video is take a look at this drone, and we'll just go quickly here what comes in the box, but then we'll fly this for you and let you know if we think it's worth your hard-earned money or not. A lot comes with this drone, and what I like seeing here, the fact that this is under 50 bucks, you guys are going to hear that squeak the rest of this video. I like seeing and thinking, okay, level of quality is going up here because it's about time. I felt like we got stuck in this slump there for a while where all toy grade drones were starting to look the same, functions were the same, transmitters were the same. Now we see some, this looks good, that's a good sized drone. Here is our flight battery, just pops in the back. Comes with a USB charge cable that is JST. It has a proprietary casing, but it is JST on the inside of the drone there. In here we have 4 spare props, 4 prop guards, our phone mounting system, which is pretty good here on the back of this transmitter, and a Phillips screwdriver. The transmitter is probably my favorite part about this, although it's a complete knockoff. I've seen this transmitter style before at the Parrot Swing. Now it does feel like the plastic is made out of a slightly cheaper plastic. It's not as heavy as the Parrot Swing transmitter, but look at that. That's exactly the same design and everything. So this is a little bit of a copy from Parrot, a little bit of a copy from XK. We'll see if it can perform well at all. And in the instruction manual, we're going to give you guys the QR code to scan so you can use the app, the free app that's included with this drone. Let's fly it.
He's so good.
All right, audio might sound a little weird because we're standing up against the building just to try to find some shade. I don't want him to get too worked up. It's really hot out. It's been a hot
He's done.
September so far. All right, gonna fly a little higher. Getting the cue from Abby. That means, hey, it's gonna look better when you fly higher. Okay, the wide angle lens looks good, but look at that. The signal is off and on, kind of choppy.
Aw.
Yeah. It's a good sized drone in the air, and the altitude hold is working pretty well. There, you can see where we're hiding there. It's got a delay in that FPV a little bit. It's not very easy to fly, but the joysticks, the gimbals feel pretty good because...
The camera is delayed?
Yeah,
And
like the
then
Wi-Fi.
Is it making the drone delayed?
No,
when you-
no.
Okay.
Just hard to use that while flying. Look at us. We're all hiding in the shade, even Popeye. Too hot, too hot.
He's got his water over here.
I want to fly it around some line of sight flying. That's rate 1, or at least the rate that it starts in. And it's a good rate. I mean, that's pretty quick. Let's see if we can go faster. 2 beeps. So that means that was rate 1. That's a pretty sensitive rate 1, I think, for a camera drone. Sorry, that was a little too steep. And probably rate 3. Yep. Yaw does seem to be affected. Our pitch is really steep now. But really, not a super noticeable difference. Let's try a flip. Just got it facing away from us, and nah.
Try again.
Yeah, not great, not great. Guys, I'm gonna just take a minute to let you know about the drone that we did yesterday. It is about the same price, folding arm, and it flies for 18 minutes.
And it performs very well.
It was amazing. This one, look, see how it went up a little bit there? It's kind of coming down a little bit. The altitude hold isn't amazing. I think we have less wind now than when we were flying yesterday with that other drone. And when we do flips on this one, it just struggles. It really struggles. I do like the wide angle lens on this one. The camera quality looks pretty good. Oh, there's some delay. And I'm probably like...
Probably because you're too far away.
Yeah, probably about 100 feet away or so.
Yeah.
And I had some delay in my yaw when I tried to turn. So this one's getting a little interference with that FPV signal. We have auto takeoff, auto land, return to home. I can turn the lights on and off, which is a feature the other one didn't have.
They won't be able to see that.
In headless mode, I'll try headless mode. That'll tell us if all these other features will work. So I just hit headless mode. I want to rotate. I'm pushing away. Everything's all a little backwards, but it is working. I don't like the constant beep in headless mode. I'm gonna be pretty bold here and go out on a limb and just say this is probably not worth the asking price, unfortunately.
What is the asking price?
I think it's like $45, $50. Yeah. Then if you just compare it to that Visuo Battle Shark drone we did with the 18-minute flight time, same price. And it just is about the same drone, but this one that one does so much better than this one. It's really hard for me to like confidently say, yeah, this is worth your money, when I know there's something way better for your money. I'm gonna let you fly it, Abby. You tell me what you think. It does hold well enough that we can pass the controls. Here's your phone. Hold the phone here. There you are. Okay.
I don't know what I'm facing away, I guess.
Yeah.
Put the shades on.
Yeah. Yeah. So you set your phone down. The phone mount on this one isn't really great. What do you think? Well, I mean, I'll let you fly a little longer. Yeah, yeah. Now, did you start the camera pretty much right when we took off, so we know our flight time? Maybe like 20 seconds?
20 seconds.
All right, okay, okay.
You were dealing with Popeye.
Okay, true. That's true.
Let's play a game.
Don't make him chase.
No.
It's too hot. Okay.
How low can we flip it?
Oh, okay, good game. Without crashing. Oops, I didn't film it.
So much altitude.
Probably, you go right down to the ground. I bet you can. Right there, yep. You got it.
Yeah, it gains a ton of altitude. That's not a fun game now.
Yeah. No. Oh, did it bounce off the ground?
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah. Now Popeye's getting interested. He's like, wait a minute.
No, it's okay.
A little too hot, a little too hot. You gotta see if you can fly it through that canopy over there, Abby.
Why?
For fun. That's a good game.
Ah!
Oh, what are you doing?
It started coming too close. I was filming.
I'm gonna have to turn that scream down in editing.
Scary.
Yeah.
What rate do you have it in?
1.
Low, that's why.
Well, I passed it to you in the low straight. I told you that.
So you want me to fly through this?
Yeah.
I gotta stand on this.
That's okay. Go right ahead.
The lights are flashing.
Oh, okay. Bring it back out here then, because it'll probably... There she goes. Sweet. Good job. Probably time to land if the lights are flashing.
Oh, don't hit the fence.
Yeah.
New obstacle not to hit at the field now.
What do you think about how it flies before it runs out of battery?
It flies okay.
Yeah.
Definitely in the second rate it flies better. I really like that all the labels or buttons are labeled.
Me too. Me too.
Yeah, so these little lights weren't flashing?
Yeah, I can't even see the lights on this one.
Really, really tiny.
Which is another benefit to yesterday's drone. You can see the lights on it. Yeah, very bright.
I mean, that has flashing lights. Usually that means...
Low battery, yeah. Well, the camera's at 7 minutes now, so we're probably at about a 6.5 minute flight time.
Yeah.
Which is average, yeah. I mean, I want to complain about it because we just had a drone that did 18 minutes, but that's average. So I don't have any room to complain yet. But I can recommend the other one. Will it let you flip now?
I was trying the light button and it's not working. So I'm guessing that is.
Yeah. And if it won't let you flip, then low battery, time to land.
Yep, that's low battery for sure.
Okay, about a 7 minute flight time. I just noticed when I turned the drone off that there is a place for a micro SD card in the bottom of this. If you thought the footage looked really bad, then there's a possibility it could look a little better if you put a micro SD card in there. But ultimately...
It doesn't even come with one.
No, it does not. So it's probably why I overlooked that. And usually these Wi-Fi FPV drones do not have that. So I do apologize for not having the micro SD card installed. It does look like it's a functioning card slot. Although, I don't think that would have mattered because it still has that slight interference when it's flying. It had a 7.5 minute flight time or so, 7 minutes maybe. And the video, though I do like a fisheye lens on something like this as opposed to that very cropped look, I don't want to recommend this to you guys because I know there's a better recommendation for the exact same price. Maybe $5 more for the other one, but it's worth it, trust me. Just yesterday, we did a Visuo Battle Shark drone. It'll probably say something like 18-minute flight time in the title. It should be very easy for you to find, but just in case you can't find it, it'll be carded in the top of this video, and we'll have it on the end screen at the end of this video. We'll also link this in the description box below if you guys want to check it out for yourself, but if it were me, and as my recommendation to all of you watching, you should absolutely buy the one with the super long flight time. Another big thanks to Axerhand 1976. You are very cool. Thank you so much for sending stuff. And to everybody that's ever sent us anything, we thank you very much. It just makes life a little bit easier. It's more fun that way, and it lets us put some funds to doing more videos for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!